children, my name's Claire. Let's start our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's read some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says ch. This digraph says or. Now it's your turn. Are you ready? Off you go. Okay, let's check that you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ch, or, sh, ng, oo or th or th, air. Now, this time I'm going to mix the cards up. Okay, read the graphemes on the cards aloud. Are you ready? Off you go. Super. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Ch, or, oo or th or th, sh, ng. Well done! Super sounds. Now let's read some words with graphemes we already know and play a little game. Let's sort the words. Do they have an R sound like car? I'm going to put my car up here. Do they have an OR sound like in torch? Put my torch up here. Okay, let's have a look at some words. Read the word. Does it have the grapheme R or OR in it? What do you think? Help me put the word in the correct place. Shout R as in car or OR in torch. What do you think? Let's read the word together. This is a slightly longer word today, so we're going to chunk it up. G, R, gar, d, n, den. Garden. It has the grapheme R. So where shall I put it? Yes, it goes here. Under the car, it has the R sound. Let's look at another word. Read the word. Now I need you to help me sort it. Shout R or OR. Let's read the word together. It's a long word again, so let's chunk it up. Or morn, ing, morning. Okay, where shall we put the word? What do you think? Yes, that's right. This word has the digraph OR, so we're going to put it under our torch, or torch, or morning. Let's do another word. Read the word. Okay, now I need you to help me sort it. Shout out R or OR. Let's read the word together. It's a long word, we're going to chunk it up. K, R, car, p, et, pet. Carpet. It has the grapheme R. So I'm going to pop it here under my car. Let's do another. Read the word. Let's sort it. Can you shout out R or or? Let's read the word together. It's a long word. We'll chunk it up. Ark, mark, et, market. That's right, it has the digraph R. So we'll put it under the car. Super, well done. Let's try another word. Read the word. What do you think? Does it have the sound R or or? Let's read it together. We'll chunk it up. It's another long word. K, or, corn, et, cornet. That's right, it's got the or digraph in. So we'll put this word, cornet, under torch. Brilliant. Here, we've got a picture of an ice cream cornet. Oh, these are delicious in the summer. With a big ball of chocolate ice cream on the top. Yum. Let's do another word. Read this word. Okay, now let's sort it. What do you think? R sound or sound? Let's read the word together. We're going to chunk it up because it's a long one. R, farm, yard, yard, farmyard. It has the grapheme R twice. So I'm putting farmyard under the car. And here we've got a picture of a very busy farmyard. Oh, look at all those animals. Amazing reading, well done. All the words are sorted. Thank you so much for your help. Now I'm going to mix the words up. So can you read the words on the cards without sounding out? Let's see how quickly you can read them. Off you go. Lovely. Let's read them together. Read aloud with me. Morning, farmyard, carpet, garden, cornet, market. Brilliant. Well done. Today, we will review some phonemes we already know. Or, are. Copy me. Air, air, air. Or, are, are, are. Fabulous. Let's sound talk a word with the phoneme air. Copy me, say the sounds, and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. Ch, air. Ch, air. Your turn. Ch, air. Chair. I sat on my chair. Let's try another. Let's sound talk a word with the phoneme or. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. T, or, ch. T, or, ch. Your turn. T, or, ch. Torch. A torch helps you see in the dark. I've got one here, look. When I switch it on, there's a nice bright light. Let's try one more. Let's sound talk a word with the phoneme R. Copy me. Say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. Sh, ark. Sh, ark. Your turn. Sh, ark. Shark. The shark chased the little fish away. Now let's read some words with graphemes we already know. Can you spot two digraphs? Have a look. Yes, the digraphs are b and sh. Read each sound as I point, then blend and read the word. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Look at the pictures. Point to the picture that matches the word. B, rub, ish, ish, rubbish. Here is the picture of rubbish. Did you get it right? Wonderful. Can you spot two digraphs in this word? That's right, the digraphs are ng and Read each sound, then blend. It's a longer word, so let's chunk it up. Point to the picture that matches the word. S, I, ng, sing, singer. Here is the picture of the singer. Did you get it right? Well done. Can you spot a digraph and a trigraph in this word? Yes, the digraph is ch and the trigraph is air. Read each sound, then blend. Point to the picture that matches the word. Ch, air, chair. Here is the picture of the chair. Did you get it right? Super. Can you spot the digraphs? Yes, the digraphs are oo and th. Read each sound, then blend. Point to the picture that matches the word. T, oo, th. Tooth. Here is the picture of the tooth. Did you get it right? Brilliant. Can you spot the digraphs in this word? Yes, the digraphs are or and ch. Read each sound, then blend. Point to the picture that matches the word. T or ch. Torch. Here is the picture of the torch. Did you get it right? Great. Can you spot the digraphs in this word? Have a look. Yes, the digraphs are sh and ah. Read each sound, then blend. Point to the picture that matches the word. Sh, ar, k, shark. Here is the picture of the shark. Did you get it right? Well done. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the card without sounding out? Let's see how quickly you can read them. Off you go. Okay, let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me and let's see how speedy we can be. Are you ready? Rubbish, chair, torch, shark, tooth, singer. Amazing! We're on fire today, children. Now we are going to practice reading 2 tricky words you have read before. You know how to read this tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here. This says E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. E, he. Now we're going to try another. You know how to read this word too. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here. This says E. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. W, E, we. Now, let's read them quickly. I'm going to mix them up. I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Okay, now let's read them together. Ready? We, he. Did you get them right? Well done. Let's read a sentence with graphemes we already know. Can you see any words with digraphs or trigraphs? Have a good look. Yes, this word has the digraphs or and ch. This word has the digraph u. And this word has the digraph R. And in this word, we have the trigraph I. Can you see a tricky word we read today? That's right. The tricky word is he, but it has a capital H because it's at the beginning of the sentence. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember to sound out any words that you aren't sure of. Here we go. Brilliant reading. Now let's read the sentence together. Read with me as I point to the words. He had a torch to look in the garden at night. Let's read the sentence one more time. He had a torch to look in the garden at night. What might you see if you used a torch in the garden at night? Wow! Let's finish by spelling some words, because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need paper and something to write with. Ready? Okay. Let's spell 2 words with 2 graphemes we already know. Let's spell chair. Segment the sounds with me. Chair. Ch, air. Let's count how many sounds there are. Ch, air. That's 2 sounds. Watch me write chair. I need 2 sounds. Ch. Air. Ch. Air. Chair. Okay, now I'm going to hide the word. You have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Lovely. Let's have a look. Ch, air, chair. Did you get it right? Wonderful. Let's try another one. Let's spell shark. Segment the sounds with me. Shark. Sh, R, k. Let's count how many sounds there are. Sh, R, k. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write shark, and I need 3 sounds. Sh, R, k, sh, R, k, shark. Okay, I'm going to hide the word. It's time for you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Okay. Sh, R, k, shark. Did you get it right? Wonderful. Now, let's try a tricky word. We have spelled the tricky word he before. Let's practice spelling it again. Segment the sounds with me. He. H, E. Let's count how many sounds there are. H, E. That's 2 sounds. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, It's tricky because E says E. Watch me write he. And the E sound is written with the letter E, like this. E, he. Now, let's hide the word. Now you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The E sound is written with the letter E. Write it down. Okay, let's check our spelling. Show me your spelling. Okay. E, he. Did you get it right? Well done, children. You worked so hard practicing your reading and spelling. See you next time for another lesson with Letters and Sounds.